Why pure megapixels are a misleading metric for phone camera quality. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore why megapixels alone don't determine camera quality. While many people assume that higher megapixels mean better photos, that's not the full story. We'll uncover the real factors that make smartphone photos sharp, bright, and beautiful. What are megapixels? Let's start with the basics. A megapixel equals 1 million pixels, and more megapixels usually mean higher resolution, that is, more detail in your image. But here is the misconception: more megapixels don't automatically mean better photo quality. Resolution is just one piece of the puzzle. Other factors like light, sensor size, and processing matter much more in real-world photography. Why more megapixels is not equal to better quality? When phone makers cram more megapixels onto a small sensor, each pixel becomes smaller. Smaller pixels capture less light, which leads to poor light sensitivity and noisy, grainy photos, especially in low-light conditions. So even if you have a 108 megapixel sensor, your image may not look better than one from a 12 megapixel camera with larger pixels. What actually determines camera quality? True camera quality depends on several key factors. First is sensor size. Larger sensors can gather more light, which improves clarity. Second, pixel size. Bigger pixels capture more light, reducing noise. Third, lens quality. Better optics provide sharper focus and accurate colors. And finally, image processing. Smart algorithms and eye tuning enhance brightness, balance, and detail. Together, these factors have a much greater impact than raw megapixel numbers. Pixel binning, a smarter approach. To improve image quality, many modern phones use a technique called pixel binning. This process merges multiple small pixels into one large superpixel, which captures more light and reduces noise. It's a smart way to balance resolution with real-world image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Case study: 12 MP versus 108 MP. Let's look at a real-world example. A 12 megapixel camera with large pixels, such as the one on the iPhone 14 Pro, often outperforms a cheaper 108 megapixel phone. Why? Because it has a bigger sensor, better optics, and advanced image processing. This proves that more megapixels don't guarantee better photos. Quality hardware and software matter most. Don't judge by megapixels alone. When choosing a smartphone camera, remember that quality comes from the total package. Sensor size, optics, image stabilization, aperture, and eye software all play key roles. Don't get fooled by marketing. A balanced camera system always beats a high megapixel count. Beyond megapixels, the true measure of quality. In conclusion, real photography is about capturing light, color, and detail accurately. The best cameras combine strong hardware with intelligent processing to deliver stunning results. So the next time you shop for a phone, don't fall for the megapixel marketing trap, because quality always beats quantity.